Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best power tool brands that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the new one 18V Max Matrix Drill, a 12-tool set combo kit that offers versatility and functionality for both amateurs and professionals. This set is packed with tools for nearly any task you can imagine, from screwdrivers and drills to a chainsaw attachment. The standout feature is the patented Quick Lock Release system, which makes changing attachments seamless while ensuring stability and safety during operation. This innovative system adds convenience to your workflow, making it a great pick for users who need multifunctional tools in one package. The design and build quality of the new one set are solid, but the tools lean toward a more lightweight construction, which might not be ideal for heavy-duty tasks. With 2 lithium-ion batteries and a charger included, you'll have enough power to keep your tools running. Though the 18V voltage is slightly lower compared to other kits in this review, the weight of the entire set, 26.4 pounds, might make it less portable for frequent job site changes, but the compact packaging is a plus for storage. Performance-wise, this set is versatile for light to medium-duty tasks, such as repairs, maintenance, and basic construction. However, it's important to note that this kit caters more to DIYers and occasional users rather than professionals needing top-tier tools. With a modest customer rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars, the new one set is a decent choice for those looking for quantity over specialized quality. Its biggest strength lies in its wide range of tools, but it might not deliver the durability or power you'd expect from premium brands. Pros: versatile tool set, convenient locking system, good for DIY. Cons: lower power, lightweight build, and less suited for heavy-duty use. At rank number 3, the DEWALT 20V Max XR Oscillating Toolkit offers precision and power in a compact package. This tool is perfect for users who need versatility in cutting, sanding, and scraping tasks. Its brushless motor delivers up to 57% more runtime compared to brushed models, making it an excellent choice for extended projects. One of its standout features is the 3-speed selector, which allows users to customize the tool speed for different applications, providing greater control and efficiency. The build quality of the DEWALT XR oscillating tool is exceptional, with a solid and ergonomic design that ensures comfort during prolonged use. The Quick Change accessory system is a game changer, allowing users to swap blades and attachments without the need for wrenches, saving time and effort on the job. Additionally, the LED light is a thoughtful inclusion, illuminating dark workspaces for improved accuracy. Performance-wise, this tool excels in precision work, making it ideal for tasks like detail sanding, grout removal, or trimming door frames. It's compact and lightweight at just 3 pounds, which makes it easy to handle in tight spaces. With a customer rating of 4.8 stars, this oscillating tool is highly recommended for professionals and DIYers alike. Pros: brushless motor, quick change system, and LED light. Cons: limited to specialized use cases and slightly higher price than similar single tools. At rank number 2, the DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill and Impact Driver Combo Kit is an affordable yet highly capable set for homeowners and professionals on a budget. This kit includes a powerful drill driver and an impact driver, both equipped with compact and lightweight designs that are perfect for working in tight spaces. The drill features a 2-speed transmission, 0 to 450, 0 to 1500 RPM, and delivers 300 unit watts out, UWO, making it versatile for a range of applications. Meanwhile, the impact driver packs a punch with 1700 inch-pounds of torque, allowing you to tackle tougher fastening tasks with ease. The ergonomic design of these tools ensures comfort and control during use, and the inclusion of 2 lithium-ion batteries means you can keep working without frequent downtime. The impact driver also comes with a 3 LED light ring for visibility in darker areas, which is a thoughtful touch for precision work. At just $179, this kit offers incredible value, especially when paired with DEWALT's reliable build quality and 3-year warranty. This combo kit is ideal for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals looking for a reliable, budget-friendly option. While it doesn't include the bells and whistles of premium sets, it gets the job done efficiently. With a customer rating of 4.7 stars and its status as a #1 bestseller, this kit is an excellent starting point for anyone entering the world of power tools. Pros: affordable price, compact design, and high torque. Cons: limited tool variety and lower battery capacity compared to higher-end kits. Finally, at rank #1, we have the DEWALT 20V Max Power Tool Combo Kit, a premium 9-tool set that's perfect for professionals and serious DIYers. This kit includes high-quality tools like a drill driver, impact driver, reciprocating saw, circular saw, oscillating tool, grinder, LED work light, Bluetooth speaker, and even a right-angle drill. Each tool is powered by DEWALT's reliable 20V Max lithium-ion batteries, ensuring consistent performance across all applications. The standout feature here is the sheer variety of tools, allowing you to tackle everything from carpentry and plumbing to electrical work and beyond. The build quality of this kit is top-notch, with durable materials and ergonomic designs that prioritize user comfort and long-term reliability. The tools feature thoughtful additions like LED lights for better visibility, quick change systems for easier blade swaps, and keyless clamps for faster adjustments. Despite the higher price tag of $699, this kit is an investment that delivers exceptional value for professionals who need a comprehensive toolset. In terms of performance, each tool in the kit excels at its intended task. Whether you're cutting through tough materials with the circular saw or grinding metal with the 4.5-inch grinder, you'll find that DEWALT has optimized every tool for power and precision. With a customer rating of 4.6 stars, this kit is highly regarded by users who demand the best. Pros: wide tool variety, premium build quality, and high performance. Cons: expensive price point and heavier weight for portability. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.